In today's video, I'm going to teach you Semrush low competition keywords. By the end, you'll know exactly how to uncover easy win topics that are realistic to rank for, even if your site is still growing. Start by logging into your Semrush account. On the left-hand panel, look for the section labeled SEO, the one with the search icon. Hover over it and choose Keyword Magic Tool. This is where most of the keyword research magic happens. Once the page loads, you'll see a main search field. Type in a seed keyword that represents your niche or the topic you want to cover. Think of a broad term like espresso machines or home workouts. If you want more tailored suggestions, you can also enter a domain to get data that's more personalized to your site or a competitor. Next, set your target country so the results match the audience you want to reach. Then click Search. Give the page a moment to load. You'll get a large list of keyword ideas along with useful metrics. The key filter for finding low competition terms is KD%, which stands for keyword difficulty. Click the KD% filter and choose either Very Easy, which is 0 to 15%, or Easy, which is 15 to 29%. This range is considered Semrush's low competition zone, meaning these keywords typically have weaker SEOs and a higher chance of ranking with solid content and basic optimization. If you're new to SEO or working with a newer site, this filter is your shortcut to opportunities you can actually win. To refine your results further, add a few practical filters. Start with volume. Setting a floor like 100 plus helps you avoid topics with almost no search demand. If you're working in a very specific niche, 50 plus can make sense because niche audiences are smaller, but still valuable. Next, use the word count filter and set it to 3 or more words. This surfaces long-tail keywords, more specific phrases that often have clearer intent and less competition, making them perfect for targeted content. Finally, apply the intent filter and choose informational if you're creating blog posts or guides. Informational queries are the ones where users want answers and explanations, so they're ideal for educational content that builds trust and can lead readers deeper into your site. That's the workflow. Enter a strong seed keyword, target the right country, filter by KD% to isolate easy and very easy opportunities, then fine-tune with volume, word count, and intent. With these settings, you'll consistently uncover low competition keywords you can rank for and turn into high quality content.